Hello Internet. Today when I came home I had this little package in my mailbox, and I'm going to show you what it is. It's one of the Kickstarters I've backed recently, and it's the Move Mini Bolt Action EDC pen. You can have it on a keychain or in your pocket, and this is the metallic silver one. Small manual. You have to use a Lamy M22 refill. Parts list, I guess. Thank you for believing. No problem. It's a good product, I hope. And inside here you get a business card with the founder, Oliver Shaw, and a small little package with a pen. So let's go in. I really like this easy packaging. It's really cool. It's a small keyring. So here it is. This is a silver aluminium version. Oh, it has the refill in. Nice. So you just, it's like a bolt action. You just move it down and in the hatch, and then it's ready to write. So again, this is the Move Mini Bolt Action Pen. I'm not sure if he's going to sell these after a Kickstarter now, but I guess so. You can check his design store here, maybe sell it there. Thanks, have a nice day.